Hi, my friends, Catherine here, and today I have my Wantable How to Style Shorts box. So I can't wait to see what's in here. Stick around and we'll dive into it. Okay, I see some really pretty colors here. So we're off to a good start. Let's go ahead and open it up. So it's got the sticker styled for Catherine. Then we have, I always want to make sure my address isn't showing. We have the pamphlet with the description of what's in here. Then we have the mailer to send back anything I'm not 100% thrilled with. Hopefully I won't need to send anything back. I just did a Stitch Fix unboxing and I didn't have to send anything back. So that was really exciting. Okay, let's see what we have. Nice soft shirt. It's cute, but nothing to write home about, so we'll see. Okay. I got it. I know I'm buying this. Woohoo! My Blondie tee. Yes. Love Blondie. And look at these colors. Oh my goodness. So we've got pink and blue on this bright yellow. Keeping this. Might be too big. I might want a smaller size, but yes. Okay. And we got us, yeah, some button front shorts. Cuffed. Might be okay. We'll see. All right. Oh, I remember liking this, or, in the stream, I said I would wear this. Yes. Beautiful colors. And it's got like a little knot here. So pretty. Okay. Then, oh, aren't these cute? We got some tropical pants. Got a tropical sunset. The trees, they are driftwood. And as I'm trying them on, when I wear something else, I'll come out and show these close to the camera because those are really cute. I hope they fit. Different. Right. Then we have, some more shorts. And if you use Wantable Edit Service, then you know that you can go into your stream and say, like, you can request or decline certain items. I'm a little worried about these shorts. They look, can't imagine I requested them. No, I doubt it. They're pretty short. I may not even come out with these on, I'm going to be honest, because they're pretty short. But anyway, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items to try on. As always, the 7 items. So I'm going to go ahead. I pretty much know I want the Blondie. I might have to get in a smaller size. And then I do like these if they fit the pants. Okay, let's get started. Once had a love and it was a gas. Oh, come on. You knew I was going to do that. Love me some Blondie, and I love this t-shirt. I really like the colors. So we've got the nice yellow. It's kind of a soft yellow. We've got the pink, and she's got pink on her lips and blue eyeshadow, which we all wore in the 80s. And I still have some. I do purple and blue now. But anyway, I think I will keep this size. I probably would like it a little bit smaller because then it wouldn't be quite so low and it would be a little tighter here. However, I'm afraid that they'll sell out of it and then I won't get it. So I'm just going to hang on to this one. I think I like these shorts too. These are the button front shorts. They fit great. So nice pockets in the back, pockets in the front. And these are true buttons. So button front. I don't know. Looks pretty good. We'll have to see what the prices are. Doesn't matter about the t-shirt. I'm keeping it. So let's see what we have. The Blondie Leopard Graphic Tee in Tender Yellow, size medium, is $52. It's recycled Karma. And then we have, let me see if I can find the right shorts here. High-rise cuff shorts with exposed buttons, Vervet, and they are $66. So I'm not too sure about the shorts. I do have jean shorts that I've gotten from Wantable. So definitely on the tee. And then I'm not sure about the shorts. So let's go to the next item. These are cute enough. I like the bottom. The bottom makes these jeans. I'm not a big fan of this light wash kind of worn look on me. And then the shirt is soft. It's very soft. It's just a subtle pink kind of top and nothing exciting. I thought I'd try it front tucked. But like I said, when I put the next outfit on, I'll show you the bottom of these jeans. They're really cute. Okay, let's just look at it because I'm not like over the moon about them. So we have Charlie. So we have Charlie high rise wide leg jeans in golden hour, size 30, driftwood, 178. That's what I kind of figured. So I don't think I'm going to be keeping these. Then we have the top is, oh, I just saw the price. Okay, the top is Malika cropped tee in dusty berry, size medium, thread and supply. It's down to $23. So that kind of makes it tricky. It was 45 or 46. I can't read. They got a line through it. But it's quite the discount. So I don't know. I mean, it is just like a nice soft kind of throw on and go shirt. And the color, like I said, it's not that vibrant, but it's nice and subtle. You know? We have to think about that. I doubt that the pants are going to be a hit because of the price. So, all right. Let's move on, and then we'll conclude what I'm getting at the end. Here's another outfit with potential. The top is really cute the way it lays. So it comes down, covers your bum if you wanted it covered. Has that little tie right there that gives it some definition. I kind of like that. I like the style. It's pretty colors too. Pretty top, very pretty. The shorts are utility. As you can see, they've got a pocket here on the front. Okay, so yeah, I mean, they're pretty cute. Let's read about them and see. But this top, I am interested in the top, I think, more so than the shorts. What do you think? The shorts just a little bit too casual. I mean, they're definitely casual. Let's see. The dress, I mean, the top, of course, dresses it up. We have the floral woven short sleeve twist front top in gold. And it's West Key, $54. And then the Gwen High Rise Utility Short in 4-leaf clover, size 10, Horizon, and they're $69. So I'm not sure about $69 for the shorts. I don't think $54 is too bad for the top. Of course, if I keep 5, I get a discount. So we'll keep trying. Maybe I only have 2, I think. Well, I like those blue jean shorts I tried on first with the front buttons. So I might have 3 so far. Okay, let me go try. I think the only thing I have left, though, are the short shorts. I may not even come out in those. I might come back and have a conclusion. We'll see. Okay, as suspected, they are a little bit too short. I'll back up so you can see them, but yeah, they're definitely shorter than I would be comfortable wearing. They fit really well, though. And nice pockets in the front, pockets in the back, but they're cut even shorter in the back because these are like torn, like a raw hem, but almost torn hem. And so they come even shorter in the back. So no, definitely not. I do think this yellow top does better with the darker jeans, though. What do you think? So let me know what you would buy. I'm going to hold everything up. I'm on the fence about this top. I would have to pair it with the right thing. And I do have a royal blue crop pant that would probably really bring these colors out and I think look nice. So that's a possibility. And then I know I'm definitely keeping this. So we got the blondie tee for sure. And I'm pretty sure I'm keeping these, the first jeans that I tried on. So I think I'm keeping these and the Blondie. This is $23. So, I mean, I probably, if it was any more, I wouldn't have even considered it, but I am considering it since it's on sale, good sale price. Then these pants, oh, I wanted to show you. Very cute. The design is adorable. Palm trees. So you just feel like you're at the beach. But I don't think they're worth $178, especially since the wash is not my favorite, that kind of worn and light washed. Okay, so I don't think I'm getting those. And then we had the utility shorts. And I don't know. I mean, I did like how they fit. I like the length of these. So I'm on the fence about those. And then these shorts. I didn't read to you about these. So the shorts that I have on now, they are Christine High Rise Fraham. That's the word, Fraham, I would say. Fraham short in Rollins, size 10, Liverpool. They are Liverpool. That's probably why they fit so well. And they would be $79 because they're Liverpool. Okay, so the total would be, of everything, would be, all seven, would be $521. If I kept all seven, I would get the Keep 5 Plus discount, which would be $104.20, bringing my total to $391 minus my styling fee, and it would be a 25%. Oh, I get a 25% discount off my final purchase. I forgot I got that special. So I could get everything for $397.83. I'm going to have to go into the checkout and play around with the items and see what would be the best combo. But let me know what you would keep out of these if you were me. Thanks for watching.